Hello guys, my name is Umang and this video will be in English. Hindi viewers, मुझे माफ करो. So last year I participated in Venice 100k contest and now it's 1 million. Wow. And I created this and this. I thought liked it but I couldn't make it to the entry. So in Ben's recent video he announced this.
All you gotta do is edit this photo with Photoshop in any way you like. However, it has to be Christmas related. Other than a Christmas theme, there's literally no rules.
I'm ready for it and this time I try to make extremely badass artwork so at least I can be in the list. Regarding this last night Benny uploaded video but I am still not in the list. I don't know why, I don't know what is happening. I think it is okay. So if you came from Ben's channel, you will definitely like my content and my Instagram feed. So coming segment will be an epic speed art. I hope you will like this. And at the end my system was lagging but I am happy that Photoshop didn't crash. For me, this is no. I can't tell you. You guys tell me in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you are new to this channel because it motivates me to create more videos like this, and ring the notification bell so every time I will post a new video, you will get an instant notification. And if you are new here, check my Instagram. You will definitely like it. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.